Hello again, folks. So today I thought I would just do a little cuff video. I've been chatting to my good friend Richard, Welsh lockpicker, and I just thought I would offer some advice. And this is purely all built on stuff I've learned from being a member of the Shackleman, basically. Courtesy, big thanks to Cox's Picks. Not Too Dead as well, obviously, for setting it up with Cease to Do, and of course my good friend Danny, the fighting lockpicker as well. So I've got a couple of poker chips here as well of mine. So here's my little eye candy for you. So anyway, Richard, the Welsh lockpicker, he's just recently joined the Shackleman, and now he's invested in a set of these hiatt 2103 speed cuffs, and he was asking me about them. So what do we need to take note from these? First of all, on the inside is a triple ball system. There's 3 rows of teeth. Yes, you can shim them fairly easily with right shim. That's not a problem at all. The difficulty is when you get to picking them. So, top tip number 1. Also, he is going to be getting the Southern Specialties Shackleman set, and that does have a really nice half ball profile in there. But if you can't afford one of those, obviously we're shipping from America. It's a luxury item. This is a snowman. I chopped his head off and made a bull pick, and I will leave the link to that video down below in the description, so you can modify cheap tools. This is a lot cowboy tool. It's really thick. It wasn't really much good for anything other than really shit wafer locks. So I modified it into a handcuff pick, and it will do the same job. So moving on from that, anyway, so a hiatt 2103 speed cuffs. These are lovely cuffs. Again, we got the triple pull. This is all thanks to the knowledge I've learned from Shackleman, as I say. Now with these, they can be backloaded, which means you can pull the ratchets back on themselves if you want to add a bit of flair, like so. And then you can tighten it, like so. Now, the ball pick. What I've learned with these, and this is the best profile to do this with, you need to see if you can get it in there. Now don't forget, for if you have a double lock on, this will do the double lock as well. We're not going to do that at the moment. If you have a double lock on, this will do the double lock. But to get this cuff open, we need to flick a pull down here, which is in this direction. So we're going to go in, and then we're going to lean back, and then a little twist, and you have to twist your wrist at the same time, and it needs to be an all-in-one motion. So that's how your ball pick can do a single lock. We'll just pop the double lock on, like so. So again, same ball pick. Now we need to get it down the same side on this hand anyway. It'll be the opposite the other hand. Scoop it around that way until you can see that little dimple is back out again, and then it's rinse and repeat. Get, oops, drop the pick. Let's get the single look off. So they are the hiatt speed cuffs, which incidentally are exactly the same as the tch840s. Again, you can backload these. Like so. And it'll be the same principle. Snowman with his head chopped off in there. Oops. Let me throw those on the floor. and that's also the same as the TCH folding rigid, the TCH 850s, sorry, 3 pulls. But again, this will do the job. Again, we can backload them. It's exactly the same mechanism. And Richard, you'll be needing these to do Cox's 10 challenges, and then you will get a Shackleman patch. So again, we go in, and this is why I say you have to get it in one, because that happens. I can't fathom it after that. I have to get in one, like so. So, as your trusty ball pick from Southern Specialties, let's just compare the headless snowman. As you can see, the headless snowman from a cheap China, lot cowboy set. That's what that is. Chopped his head off. Does the same thing. So you can make your own tools if you can't get luxury items like this with import costs and everything else. But they're all basically the same cuff. That's it. Triple pull. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you find that helpful. If anybody else has any questions, if I can help, I always will. Let me know. Drop a line in the comments. Bye for now.